All right, all right, all right. So, on my way to the Harley dealership to check out the new Sportster S. Not really looking to buy anything, but looks like a cool bike and just want to check it out. And who knows, maybe they'll let me take it for a test drive. It is a brisk day. Definitely a little cool. Went with a long sleeve t-shirt. Glad I did. It is pretty out, but it's cold. Alright, here we are at Battleborn Harley. And here it is, the 2021 Harley Sportster S. Now I should have done a walk around of the bike to give you a full view, but I was just anxious to take it out for a test drive, so I forgot. So here's a couple of pictures, courtesy of Battleborn Harley-Davidson, and let's get to the ride. All right, well, I'm on the Harley Sportster S. It is such a weird feeling having my feet forward instead of back behind me. I found myself searching for the pegs initially. It is very comfortable. Whew. It is torquey. The seat is actually very comfy. Like, it's very cushy on my butt. Perhaps it's just because I'm used to my seat. Oh, nice day for a ride. We won't tell the sales guy this, but I might have to look into getting one of these. Definitely a sweet ride. Nice. Yeah. So, approved by the guy in the BMW with a bandana. It is a nice bike. Woo! It's got nice torque. Very nice. Very nice. Here's my first impression of this bike. The only cruiser style bikes that I've ever ridden before were the ones that they had at my first MSF riding course. Since then I've pretty much only ridden my Ninja, so the ergonomics felt really weird to me. That said, this bike did feel both comfortable and sporty. You can actually comfortably lean the bike in a turn without feeling like you're going to scrape anything. The front brake is only a single disc, but it has a large Brembo caliper, so the braking I did today actually felt really good. I'm not used to the fancy self-canceling turn signals, so I found myself fighting with the turn signals a little bit in trying to get them to turn off when they actually turned off on their own. Now, as a shorter rider at 5'6", it was nice to be on a bike that I could actually flat foot on. That said, I think that this bike would probably be best for riders between about 5'4" to 5'11". I think anyone over 6 foot is probably going to feel like this bike is a little too small, but that's just my impression.
Alrighty, well, that was fun. It was kind of neat to get to ride a different bike, since I've pretty much only ever ridden this. So, very cool experience. Ooh, that's a nice truck. It was a fun ride. So I definitely need to try doing more of those test rides, because that was fun. Just getting to try a new bike and all that. Roadkill. Gotta watch that.
Before I end this video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to the guys at Battleborn Harley-Davidson. Unfortunately, Corey wasn't able to be there today, but Ed was super helpful. He's the one that took me out for the test drive. They were both super chill and didn't try pressuring me, which I totally appreciated. I would definitely recommend Battleborn Harley if you're in the market. So that ends this video. If you have any recommendations on other bikes that I should check out, please let me know in the comments below.